to our channel Eat Pray Love Travel and another food adventure here at S Kitchen in Sheraton Hotel located in front of NAIA Terminal 3 at the Newport City. So we are trying their lunch. We availed it at 50% off and later we are going to provide you with all the details din kung magkano at kung paano ma-avail. But for now, we are going to check their menu. So their lunch starts at 12. Sobrang ganda ng interior. Check first one. Salad bar, sushi bar. Okay na, parang spicy. Spicy.
Not very spicy, ma'am.
Not so. Sige, we're gonna try this. Tomato.
Salmon.
Daming tao rito kanina.
Wasabi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Chili butter garlic. Yung dalawa.
May sweet and spicy. May spicy ba?
Chili butter garlic is okay.
Sorry,
Sige, miss. So, kukuha kami and then bibigyan namin sa... Ay, ayan.
sige.
Okay, salamat.
We have a crab. Ito po, pwede niyo po siyang gawing chili garlic butter garlic or pwede natin gawing soup. At ito po, ang option natin is butter garlic or chili garlic.
chili
Yes,
garlic.
yes.
Ano difference niya dito? Tsaka
Ito po siya, ma'am, is ready to eat na po siya. So,
okay. Parang na-steam na siya, no? Okay. Sige. We'll try this.
dito po. So, napang-
Isa lang, no?
Isa lang po.
Oo. Hindi, isa
Ay,
lang.
isa lang.
And then the shrimp. Yung chili garlic butter. Pati to. Oo. Siguro mga 5 pieces.
Mga anong luto po natin?
Same din? Parang combined na lang siya.
Yes. 5 pieces, kasi na po siguro. Okay, natin sure.
Okay. Salamat. Table number 71.
70 daw.
70.
70. Okay.
Salamat.
Salamat po namin sa
Thank you.
Okay.
Salamat.
So, baka gusto niyo po, meron po tayong roasting po dito, meron po tayong beef, meron din tayong lechon po.
Okay.
Ito po yung ating signature na
All meat lasagna.
All meat lasagna, masarap po yan.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're trying the all meat lasagna. Huwag masyado madami, kuya, ha? Thank you. So the other one is beef brisket. Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.
Roast chicken with mushroom sauce. Buttered veggie.
Ayaw.
Roast pork. Ayaw mo? Okay. Let's go there na.
Yeah, pagawa ko ng alio olio.
Kuya. Ano order you have?
Meron po,
70.
70.
Thank you.
Stir fry and?
And stir fry po at saka soup.
Okay, okay.
Alam mo po yan, tingnan yung signature laksa.
Laksa area, okay.
Featuring by Siyempre, wala local inspired na po siya.
Okay.
Ito po yung laksa natin, ang mga finished product.
Ito na siya, ito na yung ano niya.
Ito naman yung ating mini deforestation. So, meron po tayong shrimp, meron po tayong vegetable, at meron po tayong crabs.
Salamat, Ray
Siyempre,
Will.
ako po yung in charge ng
Dito sa area na to.
overall in charge. At the same time, ako po yung gumagawa ng laksa natin.
Ay, okay.
Yung feature na signature laksa natin.
Thank you.
Po, yan, Filipino Station mga bago gusto nyo. Yan, meron tayo sa Filipino Station. Which is meron tayo mga, ito po yung mga street food natin. And meron po tayong special na soup ngayon, papaitan, which is papaitan. At yung mga main course natin, meron tayong main course na pinalot na laing, meron din tayong sisig. And of course, meron din tayong Bicol Express. Sibutron, ito po natin yung logo.
Cebuchon.
Ito tayo yung
Okay. Thank you.
Ito, salamat.
This is the roasting area. Okay, mga drinks, orange juice. Drinks are included sa buffet. Pati to?
Yes.
Really? So these are red wines?
Red wine, ma'am, and then white wine, ma'am. Ma'am, we have the Sauvignon, ma'am.
Okay. Sige. So we'll just ask na lang pag
Yes,
ganon.
ma'am.
Okay. Kayo yun na yung magpo-provide.
Yes, ma'am.
Salamat. Also this one included?
Juices, ma'am, yes, ma'am. Included this.
Okay.
Orange juice, ma'am, infused water, and then the cranberry juice, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.
The coffee also. Kasama rin. Coffee station. Okay. So we're getting tempura. Pero walang plate.
May laksa.
Oo. Yung masarap daw yung laksa.
Ano kaya?
Plate. Hi. Isang laksa ata. We're gonna try the laksa. Kayo na yung mag-ano nun, ano? Ng,
Yes.
Table number is 70.
7.
Salamat.
One laksa.
Huwag lang lagyan ng mushroom.
Okay. Fish tempura. Hindi pala fish. Shrimp tempura pala yun. Okay.
Ma'am, good.
Hello. Ang tempura sauce nila, mirado siya. Kung favorite area, pork sisig, binalot na laing, and Bicol Express.
Ito tayong sisig.
Konti lang,
Konti
ha?
lang.
Okay. Ako na. Binalot na laing. Pork,
Bicol Express.
Bicol Express.
Okay.
Trying out their food right now. So, ito na yung mga nakumapag namin pagkain.
Chili powder garlic. This one is my special taste.
Wow.
This is my special chili
Ano po?
chili garlic shrimp. So ano po siya, my own recipe po siya. So first 4 months pa lang po siya na na-release ko dito sa Ice Kitchen po. Sana magustuhan niyo. So nilalabas ko lang po siya pero meron kami special events like banquet. Meron po kami actually hindi ko pa siya nilabas sa a la carte. Dito hindi pa po siya makikita. So ano na po siya, special lang po siya occasion po po.
Thank you very much, Chef Ray Will.
Yes, Chef Ray
Salamat.
po.
So this is a special menu, from Chef Ray Will. So hindi pa raw yan nalalabas. It's more of the a la carte and kapag may mga special occasions lang daw nila binibigay. So salamat, Chef. We're trying it out. Baka spicy to. Ay, spicy mo, diba? Let's try it. Spicy.
Grabe. Ang sarap. Parang ano?
Tanggalin natin yung mga
Parang kamahon ba?
shrimp to, shrimp guys.
No?
lang. Sobrang bad.
Oh, sobrang okay.
Yeah. Sarap.
Good.
Hindi tayo yung prepare. Alright. Kapain pa ako.
Gusto ko nga lang.
Actually, maanghang siya pero tama lang. Ano? Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa maanghang pero sarap siya.
Hindi siya yung ano, o yung nag-uumapaw na.
Sarap. So we got a lot na para at least isahang pula. This one we're trying the sibuchon. Kasi wala yung liver sauce. Chicken?
Actually, ito matulog talaga.
Yeah. No? Yeah.
Ang luto ba?
Sarap. No? Sobrang tipis lang ng balat. Dessert section, ayan, nilagyan na nila. Kasi kanina wala eh. Fruits!
Bayo, sarap.
Yeah, oo. No? They have halo-halo. Ice cream. Vanilla.
Guava.
Guava.
Pandan. May
Chocolate.
matcha.
Yan, oo. Matcha. Chocolate chips. Semifredo. Kuya, ano yung semifredo?
It's basically ano lang po.
Ito yan?
Opo, chocolate mousse po.
Oh, okay. Chocolate mousse. Horse crepe.
Kukuha na ako ng bala.
Oh, tama. Blueberry? Oo, sige.
Para maganda yung video.
Wait lang. Konti lang ha. Strawberry din. Kuhaan natin lahat. Tsaka yung vanilla mousse cake. Bread section. For the Eatigo 50% discount kasi I think si Eatigo lang ang may 50%. I mean, sorry. Si Sheraton lang ang merong 50% discount until 30. Pagdating ng 1 o'clock on 30, parang 30% discount na lang. So better grab the chance na 12:30 nyo i-book. And then we arrived here at 12 o'clock pero pinapasok na kami. Sobrang thank you kay Sheraton. Ang bait ng mga chefs, accommodating lahat, and they even provided us with a specialty na menu, which is hindi sinaserve dito sa buffet area nila. So, thank you very much. By the way, since we availed this sa Eatigo at 50% discount, we are just going to pay 1,600 instead na 3,200. So, this May, ito yung latest addition ni Eatigo sa 50% discount or discounted deals in hotel dining experience. So, must try.
Drinks.
Yeah, oo. The only difference nga pala among others na may hotel buffet is ito kasama na yung drinks. Plus, they have wine which actually nakita nyo naman na kanina dun sa pinakita namin na may kasamang red wine, white wine, and of course yung mga mocktails.
Raspberry.
siya. Pero ang sarap niya. Solid, solid yung pagka-chocolate niya. Ito pa kasi. Sarap? Sarap. Love it. Ali olio nila, meron mga seafood din, ano? Siyempre, una natin titikman yung chocolate.
Dito po na ako.
Sarap. And we got another one. Super okay siya. Sarap. 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 Okay, they offer wine here. Kasama na sa salamat.
Chardonnay.
So, alam niya na kung sino magdadrive.
Siya na.
Cheesecake, blueberry. Ayoko ng blueberry. So, tamalan natin blueberry. Strawberry.
May chocolate.
Huli yun, chocolate.
Triple chocolate.
Triple chocolate. With ginkgo biloba.
Red. Ginkgo biloba. Masarap yung blueberry.
Ayun.
Hindi mo talaga? Anong
Try ng mga kakanin. Try out the beetle. Beetle. Sarap talaga ng beetle.
Alam mo, masarap yung blueberry nila. Sarap, sarap.
Ano yung beetle? They also have this turon ube. Super okay. Guys, we booked this lunch buffet sa Sheraton. It's S Kitchen. We booked it through Eatigo. It's an app wherein you can purchase dine-in. Ano naman ako?
Dine-in.
Wherein you can purchase mga restaurant deals like from 10% to 50% off. Depende. May restaurants, meron mga fine dining, meron din mga hotel deals. So, etong Sheraton, actually, nasa Eatigo siya, pero at the same time, nasa Star Deals din siya. I don't know if you're familiar with Star Deals. It's the same with Eatigo, pero mas wider lang kasi may mga activities din and all na may discount doon. Actually, kay Star Deals, unang in-offer itong Sheraton S Kitchen, which is actually 30% lang. But then eventually, nakita namin siya, nakakalabas lang niya ngayong May din sa Eatigo. And si Eatigo, meron siyang ino-offer na 50%. So, it's 3,200 for a lunch buffet from 12 o'clock to 3 p.m. So, yung 12:30 ang piliin ninyo kasi yung 12:30 meron 50%. So, 1,600 na lang ibabayaran nyo. We just don't know kung net na yon. So, later malalaman natin kung yung 1,600 na yung net.
Pati pwede pumasok ng mas mahal.
Yeah, actually, our reservation nga is at 12:30. Pero pagdating namin dito ng 12, wala nang anything. Sinabi lang namin na we have a reservation on the Eatigo and then pinapasok na kami. So, very accommodating sila dito. And okay yung place, okay lahat ng mga staffs. And pati yung mga chef, very accommodating sila. So, you must try this also. Of course, 50% discount is an opportunity na naman syempre para makakain tayo sa mga hotels or mga fine dining areas ng mas cheaper pero same quality and same quantity pa rin. Okay, bye! So here's our bill, guys. It's 3,200. So meaning to say yung 1,600 nila is net na. Net of taxes. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and
Hit that notification bell for more updates. Bye-bye!